Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to stop the Dave app from taking money from your account using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Dave app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on settings at the top right corner of your screen or simply tap on extra cash. If you have an active advance, you will see the repayment date. Look for an option that says manage repayment or repayment settings. If available, you can change the repayment date or turn off automatic repayment. Next, go to the settings on app at the top of your screen. Now tap on link banks. Find the bank Dave is taking money from. Tap on it and choose on link remove or disconnect bank. Confirm your choice. This stops Dave from pulling money directly from that account. If Dave is still taking money after these steps, scroll down in the settings and tap support or help. You can chat with Dave support and ask them to stop all withdrawals on your account. And that's it. You have successfully stopped Dave app from taking money using an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.